So let's say I'm taking middle and leg guard, and this is my crease. This is my. Now let's mark our zone. What should be my zone? Let's say Arya, Agastya or Kanishk is batting. So Agastya come. You tell me which come this side. Abhi. You tell me which should be your zone now.
From here to here?
No. Go there and show me.
Here?
Okay, he is saying his zone, one zone will be here, okay?
And then here.
So now, look at from the perspective of the stumps. And Abhi, now you come. Tell me your zone, this is your crease. This is the crease. Let's go.
Mostly, here somewhere?
Here?
Yeah.
Here, okay.
And then, here maybe,
Here, okay.
Yeah.
So guys, now see from the perspective of the stumps, are these zones proper for both of them? Everybody come this side, let Abir bat. Oh, sorry. You bat. Abir, now go into the stance. Your cone was the white one. Now let's go this white. Let's go towards the white and play. No, you're not going towards the white now. What happened? You are playing away from the body. Let's take your foot towards white. Wait, no, stay. Just do defense. Wait, guys, do you see his bat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Behind.
No.
Behind. It's
No, stay.
It can't reach the ball.
No. Do you see the bat?
Yep.
Not the
Where
full
it is
thing.
pointing?
Behind the pattern.
This is exactly what
Out
I'm
of the
talking
view.
about.
Out of the view.
His bat face is closing now. He is not pointing. Now same thing, sorry. Now same thing. If I'm doing it, move back. This is my zone. Where is my bat?
It's near you.
The moment I try to move here, where is the bat?
It's
Ball is going to come from here. So my zone is smaller than these guys. So I would move you. If I'm batting from here, go behind. If I'm batting from here, I can only move as much sideways as much I am presenting the full face of the bat. The moment I move more, it won't present full face of the bat. So this is my zone. Anything outside this, I won't play a drive. Now Abir, you come again, go to this zone, and then guys, you see his bat. Defense. Straighter a little bit. Straighter. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now slightly only one mistake, you are hanging the bat behind. When you are defending, it has to be in front of the pad, not away also, but front of the pad. A little bit front. That's it. Guys, now presenting a little bit of more face.
Yeah.
Now because he's shorter than me, he can even reduce more. But that's up to his comfort. Okay? But do you see the difference?
Yeah.
So this zone, we have said, Agastya, this is also too far for you. If you want to bat, you bat, let Abir see, because he was batting, he did not see, right? Then go to your blue cone or white cone, whatever. Come this way. Defense. White cone. Do you see his bat?
Yeah.
Is it presenting full face of the bat to the ball? Remember guys, ball is coming from this side. Is swinging out. New ball. Now see his bat
So where?
to your original, the one that you marked. No, that is my marking. The one that you marked.
The blue one. Or the green.
Is it presenting full face?
No.
This is what our point is today. That we want to present full face. For that, we need to know which ball to play, how to be compact. If you go there, you will not be compact. So let's use the bat. This is wrong now. So this we will move out. Now, from the basis of the stumps, let's say where this is coming.
coming on slightly outside on.
Fifth or sixth stump. For you, a best ideal place is fifth or fourth stump, because my legs are bigger. That's why mine is sixth. Now, if you're taking leg, your zone will again reduce. Yeah. If you're taking middle leg, your zone will slightly increase. If you're taking middle, it will slightly increase. So anything fourth or fifth is ideal for you when you bat. So now present the full defense. See, if he is presenting full face of the bat, see his bat, where is it pointing? Now his zone is this. This is his zone. He will not move his front leg out of zone. Now move your front leg out. Defend. Now presenting full face.
No.
So his zone is this, which he correctly marked at the first attempt. That's what marking zone. Everybody will have a different zone. Avir, you mark this one, and this one was Agasthi's. Now see how much outside it is. If I were to play an on drive or something, I would never be able to see how far. So now, just to be a little bit simpler than this, your leg stump, your leg zone cannot go beyond your shoulder. Slightly beyond your shoulder is fine, but it cannot go beyond. So it has to be somewhere in front of my shoulder. So this is the zone.
That's small.
So how far did you guys have placed? So you can, anything going out, you have to let it go. This is the only place you can play. So the zone starts from this to this. Now see how much reduction of zone has happened since the time we started the class. And now, this is your ideal. In order to play compact, this is your ideal zone.
This is close to the body.
This is very close to the body. Here I can play here, glance, anything. Here I can play drives here, from extra cover covers all the way this side. So now see how much close to the body it is. This is how you mark your zone. Your stance is whatever, leg stump, middle leg, anything. Wherever you stand, it starts from there. You're taking the stance. Now from here, your shoulder is pointing towards the bowler.
Yeah.
From there, you take the left hand, hold it on the corner of the end of the bat, put it in front of you. Now such that the way you are putting is such that your shoulder is not moving. Your shoulder is always pointing towards the bowler. So let's say I am putting here, but my shoulder is pointing towards the bowler. Is this pointing towards the bowler?
No.
No. So that means this is outside my zone. I can't play here. Here I am going leg side. This much I can go because my shoulder is still pointing towards the bowler. Put one cone here. Then I will rotate my arm like an arc. Now see, is my shoulder moving?
No.
Shoulder pointing towards the bowler?
Yes.
So then this is my mark here. Now is my shoulder pointing?
No.
So this is, anything beyond this is not my mark. Now what if this is the zone that I have marked? Remember, I cannot mark my zone with front foot and then I can't do that. I have to stand in my zone, in my stance position, not bend too much, not stay up too much, stance position, then shoulder aligned, holding the bat at the tip, arc, and this is my zone. Now what it means is that my leg should not go beyond this zone. It has to be, see, I am losing balance also. It has to be within the zone. This is the ball I can play. I will not be able to play any ball which is going outside. Similarly on the leg side, this is the ball I can play. I cannot play the ball which is going outside. So this is helping you to make sure you are compact and playing close to the body. You can play anything here. The moment you go here, it's wrong. Now, we talked about how much to go this side. Can we go this much? No, right? We can't go. Can we go this much? No, we can't go. But this is what we talk this way. But how much to go this way? Can we go this way? Is this valid? I am well within my zone, but is this valid?
Because then you'll have to reach out your bat to drive.
But I can play this way also. Then I'm not reaching out.
But what if it was a drive ball?
You could
Oh.
Huh? But remember guys, one of the concepts of batting is trying to go as much close to the pitch of the ball.
Yeah.
So let's say if the ball is pitching here, will this help?
No.
Will this help?
Yes.
Yeah.
Better than before, right? Will this help?
Yes.
Will this help?
Too much.
Ah, it's too much. So going as much close as you can. Now going this much close,
You can't play.
I can't play. I'm not able to balance. I'll fall. Yes. So now same thing. If this what is our arc, even the longer way, this way, is also should be in the arc only. So if I am standing here, this is my arc. Put one cone here. This becomes how much I can stretch. If I stretch more than this, I'll be imbalanced. See, so far it is.
That's a sweet.
No, it's even difficult for you. Any shot you can't play. You can try on your own. Once you mark your own, you can try how uncomfortable that is. Now, if I from here, if I go like this, what Atmik said, what Arya said, what Jishnu said, everything is correct. You will go forward, your ball will come low, you will not be able to drive properly, you will not be able to transfer the weight properly.
I think it's only.
And you will not lean. So, this is also not proper, guys. You said you can play that.
No.
Huh?
I thought it was more like flick.
That's a
Ah,
flick.
yes.
That's a flick.
That's a flick.
You can stop.
For a flick and for on drive, yes, I agree.
Yeah.
But most of the time, 75 to 80% of the
No,
shots,
depending on the ball.
depending on the ball, but most of the time the ball will be on the offside or middle stump, right? Your flick and the leg side ball would be very rare. So we have to try to go close to this zone. Close to this zone. Close to this zone. So that is what, how much distance this way we are covering. Right? This is within the zone, but am I covering that much distance? No.
You can still go back for it, right?
You can still go backward if the ball is short. I'm just talking about front foot right now. So whenever you play, you try to go. Now let's say you come here. Ball is pitching somewhere there. What shot will you play? Defense. Ball is pitching here. What shot you will play? Drive. Now ball is pitching here. What shot will you play?
You have to. You can. Actually, you can drive.
Why?
Because if the ball is coming here, you can take it as like full toss.
Exactly. Exactly. Correct answer. No. What he is saying, you can drive it by taking the ball full toss. So what you have done is by moving this much, what you have done is that you can play good length also, you can play full also, you can play over pitch nose. You have made sure your all the three balls you are playing. Now, what if it comes and pitches somewhere here?
Defend.
Blocking.
That's it.
Blocking. Correct answer. But here, if you are standing here, you have converted a full ball to a good length ball. You can't drive.
And you cannot play the full.
You can't play the full throw because you are not leaning. You have over pitch ball, you have converted Yorker. So that's why it is very important to go close to this zone anyway. Only on the leg side you can be shorter. Only on the leg side. Okay, there is a exception there. But when you have to move closer to your zone, see now how much am I leaning? My weight is fully transferred. I am fully balanced. I am top of the ball. I am on top of the ball. If I play this way, I will never be on top of the ball. Ball will be always in front of me. I will not be able to go on top of the ball. It will be very difficult.
And you start.
I'll start playing away, which is the whole and get. This is the whole point of not playing away. The class is about not playing away, right?